Welcome to King Cole Ducks and today's cooking demo on how to create one of the most delicious duck appetizers that you will ever enjoy. Grilled Duck Spiedini skewers, made from King Cole's finest quality breast meat. First, allow the spiedini to thaw completely overnight in your fridge. Remove the skewers from the packaging and pack dry. Then season lightly with salt and pepper. Turn your barbecue on to medium-high and lay down a strip of tinfoil on the grill to prevent the wooden skewers from burning. Place the skewers spaced evenly across the grill and make sure to keep track of time as they cook fast. After 1 minute, flip the spiedini over and cook for another minute to achieve a nice pink color in the center. If you prefer your meat to be done a little more, you can increase the cook time by an extra minute. Remove the duck spiedini from the grill and place onto a plate or platter and serve immediately. The perfect starter to any great outdoor meal. We recommend a pesto dipping sauce, which you can also apply right onto the skewer. Visit our website at kingcoleducks.com and make sure to follow us across social media at King Cole Ducks.